Hello everybody, myself Nikita Mehta.
Today I am going to tell about Papuji. This is Papuji.
You can just try this.
Agya. Papa.
Why you love this picture?
Because it is soft.
So yes, Shaz, we are here to present you Trisha's favorite snack, which is very healthy as well. So basically it is made from corn. It doesn't have any type of palm oil or anything like that. Right now we can see market में जो भी snacks available है वो ज़्यादातर oil वगैरह से बनते हैं, which are not at all healthy for kids these days. So this is just a roasted kind of corn ball with yummy masala.
Kids are already eat my Papuji.
We already finished 2 to 3 packets of this Papuji here itself in this hall. So this is the best review we can give you. Where can we take this along? Can you please tell them?
This one will be
Even Papuji.
So this is something like that. This is a cheating with us that we miss out that and 2-3 packets are already gone.
The problem is we took so much of time. The kids were quite hungry there, and she just turned up with a product there, and she was like, "Let's try this," and everybody was like, "Oh yes, let's eat."
not kids, everyone is agree.
So you started your marketing among the stars.
You can carry it school in your body when the night out. You can take it at a friend's place and night out also. You can take this everywhere. You can have this anytime.
When we make them taste this, ask them.
I'll take them.
So we will go together. Yes, of course.
I'll go now. Okay.
I taste के बाद हम खड़े रहो. Okay, ma'am. We can just wait.
Okay, yummy,
Yummy.
really yummy. Now give your proposal for investment.
So yeah, we were looking for 50,000 rupees for 10% of equity for a company called Papuji. Can you please tell them? Okay, it's Papuji company.
Okay, how is
It's local for local. Yes.
what is the cost and what is our purchase and what is selling price?
So basically, it cost me around 7 rupees for one packet, but I'm willing to sell it for 20 rupees per packet.
How much gram?
It is almost 70 grams in a one packet.
What is your proposal?
50,000 for 10% of equity. So the basic thing is, if I make it in a big scale, then only it will be easy for me to sell it in big.
Saving costing.
Yeah.
How much you have sale till now?
For
You have
now-
just started?
No, the thing is, it is quite. We have just started from home right now. It is very lower scale business right now. But I'm planning. I want to make it on a bigger scale now.
Apparently, what is market scenario for this product?
As in,
Are this kind of product available in the market?
I don't think so. Like without oil, I haven't seen as yet there are any products.
I think these are available in the market. You just go for research and find out the cost.
But then you will not find it that much tasty as much as this is. Because we have been seeing ragi mamra वगैरह, बट वो इतने टेस्टी नहीं लग रहे जितने ये हैं। एंड आप अगर बच्चों को वो दे रहे हैं रागी ममरा या ये, तो दे विल चूज दिस एंड दे आर इक्वली हेल्दी।
अभी आपका हेल्दी स्नैक्स का मार्केट साइज क्या है? व्हाट इज द मार्केट साइज ऑफ हेल्दी स्नैक्स?
मतलब वो साइज तो अभी अपन पूछ ही नहीं सकते। इट इज अ वेरी बिग मार्केट। आप अगर किसी को इन्फ्लुएंस कर दो तो यू कैन सेल व्हाटएवर इन व्हाटएवर फॉर्म। इट्स लाइक दैट।
अगर आपको आज if you get the deal from here, then what is your roadmap?
Sorry.
If you get the deal from here, what is your plans?
So basically, we will have to invest in a good machine. So if I am having one machine now, right now, if I want to like put it on a bigger scale, I need more laborers, more machine, and then of course all the packaging and everything.
So what is the marketing plan?
So right now, Instagram is the best thing, and also I am planning to put it in a school or in different type of schools. We can offer it for in the canteen thing.
So you are planning to joint venture with the school to positioning your product.
Yeah,
Good.
because those are only the best platforms for my product right now.
Okay. Is this your own recipe or what?
Yes, it is.
So how can anybody cannot be stretching from you and they have their bigger plans like other Samrat or Gopal will come into this product and
So
take your
the
business.
thing is, कोई भी चीज आज के जमाने में कॉपी करना नहीं करना, it's not in our hand. We can do our best. That is the only thing.
Good idea, good thought. So now we are ready to get the deal.
Yes.
So we all three stars wants to come. Because we all three stars come together, and we look after. You ask for 50,000 for 10%, right?
Yeah.
And we look after 10% each, and we are going to invest a 1 lakh rupees like 33.
I think it would be quite difficult because it doesn't have a lot of margin. You can see that.
Get
It is
three people.
It is.
3 stars.
You get 3 people in your marketing field.
That is a very good opportunity, of course.
It is almost 200% margin you have.
But sir, my product is
The
like.
more investment you will have, you will produce a more product and you can sell it more.
Of course. But still, I need to also calculate my profit margin as well.
Just do it right now.
Give you,
Just do it right now. You are very calculated. Do you need a time?
Yeah.
You can take a 1 minute and you can come back.
okay. We'll think on that. We'll rethink on that. For sure.
1 minute is over. Now tell me.
Done.
Done. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.